Dito pila.
Magaling tumatayo pa lang.
Medyo din nahilad. Akala ko taga dito.
Gani. Tayo ko, Bisaya na na siya. Na-scam.
Baling daghan ng Bisaya.
Gani. Dili, amin ako driver. Amin ako driver. Ano siya, katusi ko. Ha? Bisaya na siya. Oh, gani.
Lorian, tingin! Lorian! Picture tayo, Camel.
Hello, look camera.
Babay mo diri, babay. Hi.
Hello, look camera.
Picture!
Picture.
Picture naman si...
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I am driving with my camera. Okay.
Ya बात है होस्टर जोर यार.
Right.
So that you know the feeling. Do you know how to speak Arabic?
Yes. I'm trying to studying Tagalog.
You have many Filipino
They didn't taught you?
Ano pagalan mo?
Anong pangalan mo?
Sign ka sa Filipino. I will study more. Yeah, I want to speak Tagalog easy. The some words is difficult. No, I forget. No, actually after 2 hours I'm forgetting this name. I mean the words. I don't know. Maybe 100% I am not involved.
Hindi naman. Nagkaroon pa ko nakakita sa city lights.
Hindi pa, wala pa ni sa city lights. We will teach you more.
Ano, salamat.
Salamat is thank you.
Yeah.
Guwapo ko. Say, guwapo ko.
Wapo ko see you.
Guwapo ko.
We will teach you Bisaya
Yeah.
because Bisaya is more intense than Tagalog in the Philippines.
This is another state language or what?
Yeah. In the south, majority in the south are speaking Bisaya.
Bisaya.
So I'm sure you have Bisayan friends. We only know Tagalog because it's part of our lesson when we were studying. So that's the only time we learned Tagalog.
But I know until now only the language one, which is Tagalog in Philippines.
Yeah, but there are many. There are a lot more than.
Dito pila.
tumatayo pa lang. Ah.
Medyo din nahilad. Akala ko taga dito.
Gani. Tayo ko, Bisaya na siya. Na-scam.
Baling daghan ng Bisaya.
Gani. Dili, amin ako driver. Amin ako driver. Ano siya, katusi ko. Ha? Bisaya na siya. Oh, gani.
Dorian, tingin! Dorian! Picture tayo, Camel.
Babay mo diri, babay. Hi.
Hello, look camera.
Picture naman, sis.
Okay.
Picture.